bubble gum, Listerine, and normal. I have toothpaste, two brushes, and ribbon. Back again to our channel. Today we are going to be going to the dentist.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. In today's vlog, I'm about to head out right now. As you can see, we have a dentist appointment. Okay, it's just after 8 in the morning. We have dentist appointment with Alessia and Abigail.
And then after the dentist, we have to go back to school.
Yeah, after the dentist appointment, after they're done, I will take them back to school, okay?
You guys like my hairstyle?
Let's take you guys along. I hope you all are doing good. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing great. As for we are doing
amazing.
Good. Okay. All right, give me my jacket. Let me wear my jacket. I think it's about to rain outside. The weather is somehow.
Because I saw
it's springy, yeah? Yeah. When I went to throw the trash just now.
I felt something go on my head and my stuff. Guys like my hairstyle. I love it. You better watch out. You better not cry. I'm telling you that.
Okay. I'm all set.
All set for today. Today with a jacket.
I think I have my face mask.
A London jacket. London.
No, I'm not talking. Just leave it like that.
Let's go.
Okay.
Can we do a fit for today? I don't think you guys can see my fit because I'm wearing a jacket. But I'm wearing this big black jacket with these purplish pants, and it says Dream. I have I got these pink shoes with California sweater.
Okay, let's go.
Let me zip it up because it's cold outside.
Are you talking?
Yeah,
your shirt. Okay, zip it up. Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go, guys.
Great. You can do that way, please.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Give me just 1 second.
Okay.
Oh. All right. I need you to fill out some papers for me
Okay.
because it's been a little while.
Yeah.
All right. Just fill in the blanks of the white one and then do front and back of the blue.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
not your first rodeo. There you go. Mom.
Thank you.
Recording?
Yeah.
have 3 floss. This normal. This. Why didn't you come where I was? I was asking the other day.
I'm put it down here. Okay?
We have the normal flavored one. I have a bubble gum one. And a mix with 3. I have 3 different. I have 3 different kinds of floss. I have bubble gum, 3, and normal. I have toothpaste, 2 brushes, and ribbons.
Abigail is done now.
Disclosing tablet.
Nice, Alessia turn. Alessia's doing that one right now. What you put in your mouth? What is that?
Floss.
They said don't put anything in your mouth in the next 1 hour. Huh?
Was the cement. I don't feel with my instrument any cement.
Okay.
That's looks like it's been abraded away.
Okay.
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 And she just recently had her braces off,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So it might take a little bit of getting. Oh, I love your watch.
Oh, thank
Can I
you.
look at it?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, my
quite-
husband bought it for me.
It's gorgeous. I
Thank
love
you.
the shape.
Thank you.
I had a similar shape to that on a watch and it died completely.
Yeah.
There was no resurrecting that one.
Thank you.
Okay, so, you know, that might be what it is, okay?
Okay.
So,
Everything's fine with her teeth.
well, no, she has several cavities,
Oh.
okay? So we talked in detail about flossing and brushing,
Okay.
and so right now also there might be in your bag. Is there a little bottle there? No, there's not. There's something called Act Fluoride. It's a rinse.
Okay.
It's an anti-cavity rinse.
Okay, that one there.
Yes,
Okay.
that one there, okay?
Okay.
So please get that. So at night after they floss and brush, they rinse out with it according to the bottle direction,
Okay.
spit it out. But after that, do not wash the mouth with water, okay? Just
Okay.
go to sleep.
Okay.
So that can help build up your tooth structure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sure. So
Thank
she'll
you.
need several appointments, okay?
Okay.
So the one thing before you come for any fillings, please don't come on an empty stomach. You don't have to have a big meal, but don't come on an empty stomach.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
I have to book appointment for the cavity for her to come out.
Yes, Miss Susan can help you with that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I don't think there's any.
Oh, I didn't even record. Oh, yeah. The other donor. Hello. This is supposed to sign it. Let's check.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, okay, thanks.
Okay. Bye, Lisa. See you later. Okay. I've dropped her. Let me go home.
You good, man. Not so better. Yeah.
What? Thank you.
Thank you.
You can. Have a good day. Okay guys, I'm back at home. I am done with my appointment today. Yes, finally took the kids to the dentist. They are done. They went back to school. Then on my way back, I stopped at to get some few stuff. Okay, I stopped at Sam Club. I just grabbed some few stuff. Water. I got this from Sam Club. Then that one is snack for the children. Then jasmine rice, 50 pounds of jasmine rice. Then I grabbed some what's it called, eggs, pineapple, some onions. Okay, if you want to use onions, sweet onions is very good. Sweet onions is very good. Then I grabbed diced tomatoes, and this one is like snack, crunchy oat honey snack also. Then I grabbed some bread. This is a very fresh bread. Then what is it called, honey ham for to make sandwich. And I bought some croissant. I opened it. I took one because I was so hungry. I opened it. I took one. I already ate one from it. Then I stopped at Africa store. I bought some soya spice. This soya spice is very good. Then I also stopped and I bought some what is it called, Milo and pig milk. Okay. Then there's this new store that we just found that it's called Pop Chef. Okay, they sell like home stuff over there. I just went there and I grabbed some house stuff. Okay, let me show it to you. I bought some spoons. Inside I have some spoons. I bought some spoons from it. This one, this, it's like a set. I bought the same color. This and this also. Okay, three of those. Then this one, I bought this. If I want to make DIYs, I will use this one. Okay. Then also I have this plate. Let me put my camera somewhere. Hold on, to change the camera. You can see. Okay, I bought this plate also. I bought this plate also. It's a set of 3, and it has cover. Let me open it. It has cover. I like it. It's for like a storage. If you have any leftover or whatever, you can put it inside, or you can use it to store your vegetable, your fruit. Look at it. It's not that big, but because it's 3. Okay, I think this one is for this cover. I like the fact that it has a cover. And this is the second, the other one. Yes, 3 sets. Okay, let me bring the last one out. Okay, look at the inside. They have black too, but I prefer the silver one. They have black also, but I just like the silver color. And this is the other one. This is it's not bad at all. It's nice and it's very strong. this is the other one. Here's the cover. Okay, here you go. See? 3 sets. Look at it. It's not bad at all. I like it. 3 sets of this. Then this one also is very sturdy. It's very strong. And this one, I'm going to be using like a, if I want to do DIYs, like if I want to do DIY for my other channel, I will use. But I want the one that I'm still going to buy another one that has a smaller mat. This mat is big, but I'll manage it for now. When I found a smaller one, I'll buy another smaller mat. That's it, guys. That's all what I bought today. I like this set. I really love this set of plates. I think that's it for today. I'm tired right now. Let me put these things away, then I'll look for something to eat because it's afternoon right now, and I have a premiere that's going to be starting in the next 8 minutes. It's 1:30. Right now it's 1:21. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this video today. I think it's not going to be a long vlog. Yeah, it's not going to be that long. For watching the video, I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Subscription is free. You're not going to pay nothing. Niente di niente. It's free. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.